Welcome to Fix Your Apps. Today I will show you how to find Facebook page ID in a simple and clear way so you can use it whenever you need it. This video quickly explains where to find the page ID and how to copy it correctly. Now let's get started. Step 1. First unlock your phone and open the Facebook app from your app drawer or home screen. Then log in to the account that manages the page. This step is important because page settings and details are only visible when you are signed in with the correct account. Step 2. Once the app opens, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner to open the main menu. Then select the page name or profile name you want to manage. This menu shows all your pages, shortcuts and settings, making it easier to access page tools. Opening the correct page ensures you find the right information without confusion. Step 3. After your page opens, tap on the three dots icon near the page name to access the page settings menu. This menu contains important options like page info, privacy tools, and links related to your page. It is the place where Facebook stores technical details such as your page link and ID. Step 4. Now scroll down until you find the page link section, then simply copy the link shown there. This link contains your Facebook page ID, which can be shared with friends, used for tools, or added to websites. Copying it correctly helps avoid errors when using it elsewhere. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful and easy tutorials.